for Trump to say something that would open up an opportunity for them to really attack Trump rhetoric. Jeb Bush saw that opportunity this morning. Watch this.
This is a diverse country. We should celebrate that diversity and embrace a set of shared values. And Mr. Trump doesn't believe in those shared values. He wants to tear us down. He doesn't believe in tolerance. He doesn't believe in the things that have created the greatness of this country. I think Donald Trump is trying to insult his way to the presidency, and it's not going to work. People want an uplifting, hopeful message. People come to this country to pursue their dreams. Sometimes they start without speaking English, but they learn English and they add vitality to our country.